Okay, our new chapter, that is getting started with Python. So, Python reminds you frightening frightening reptile. So, what is the speciality of reptile? That is, it has a flexible body. So, like that, our Python language also simple, easy to learn, and it is a flexible language. And I told you Python is a programming language. Then we want to know what is a program. You know what is a program? A program is an ordered set of instructions. It is an ordered set of instructions to solve a particular problem, or set of language used to solve or write set of instructions is known as a programming language. That is an ordered set of instructions to be executed by a computer to carry out a specific task is called program, and the language used to specify these instructions to the computer is called programming language. And we heard about different programming languages like C, C++, VB, Java, then now Python. The coding or the instructions we are writing in any of these programming languages is called a source code. That is, the coding or the instructions we are writing in any of these programming languages is called a source code. Then next one, that is compiler and interpreter. Okay, before that, in computer, a program written in high level language, that is called source code. A program written in high level language is called source code. So what is high level language? What is a high level language? That is, we know the system only understand digital language, that is binary language. Binary language, zeros and ones. So computer only know binary language, that is zeros and ones. So, as a human being, it is difficult us to write codes using zeros and ones. So, we are using our English language, English structure, that is high level language. So, our language, that is high level language. Then, we want to know how this high level language converted into machine level language or machine understandable form. Okay. So, we know a program written in high level language is called source code. So, how it is converted to machine language? Okay. So, we want to know how this high level language converted into machine understandable form. So, we are moving to the next concept, that is compiler and interpreter. So, next one, that is compiler and interpreter. Compiler is a software that translates the entire source code into machine understandable form. That is, it converted high level language into machine understandable code. As a whole, the entire program converted into machine understandable code. And also, it reports errors if we are violating any rules of the programming language. So, what is a compiler? Compiler is a software that translates the entire source code into machine understandable form. That is, entire source code means our language, that is high level language, is converted into machine level language. Okay. So as a whole, the entire program is converted into machine level language, and it also reports errors if we are violating the rules of a programming language. Programming language has some rules. So if we are violating any of these rules, it reports errors. Okay. Then the next one, that is interpreter. It is also a converter. It also converts high level language into machine level language. And the difference between this compiler and interpreter, that is, the interpreter converts high level language into machine level language in line by line execution. The interpreter converts high level language into machine level language in line by line execution. Okay. And compiler, that is, the whole program is converted into machine language. Not by line, the whole program is converted into machine level language and reports the errors at the end. Okay, clear? So the Python language uses an interpreter to convert high level language into machine level language. So in our Python program, we use interpreter to convert the high level language into machine level language. Okay. So you know what is the difference between compiler and interpreter. Okay.